Hi guys, Light here, and today's video we're going to check out iOS 14.2 Beta 4 on the iPhone SE. So the change right here is actually inside the settings application. Opening that, if we scroll down to wallpaper settings, choose a new wallpaper, go to stills. If we scroll down, you will see here a new set of wallpapers for the iPhone SE. The nice thing about these wallpapers is they're similar to the ones we have on the Mac, wherein we do get the wallpaper to change accordingly by the appearance that you have set on your device, giving you both a day view and a night view of that wallpaper. With that being said, let's first check out the wallpaper right here. So here we have it on light mode, giving us a day view of that wallpaper. Now toggling into dark mode, we get here the nice night view of that wallpaper. And also you can see here the stars on the top. Now, checking the next wallpaper. Here we have the tree. Toggling into light mode, we have the day view of that wallpaper. Also here we have some rock formations. Toggling our view again, we get the night view. And here's the next one. And we also get illustrated wallpapers such as this. And this one. And this one, which appears to be a desert. And the last one, which is a shoreline. So those are the new wallpapers in iOS 14.2. which I think is nice if you're someone like me who has their appearance to change automatically according to the time of the day. Also, checking back on the dynamic wallpapers, we don't get any new wallpapers right there. Also, running a performance test on the iPhone SE, we do get a score of 1326 for single core and 2606 for multi-core. Which, comparing that to the previous beta 3, we got the score of 1328 for single core and 2383 for multi-core. Also, running another test using Antutu benchmark, we do get a score of 314,093 for the iPhone SE, which, comparing that to the previous beta, which is beta 3, we got the score of 372,073 for the iPhone SE. Also, there is a known bug on beta 4 which we cannot play or even reply to intercom messages, but hopefully we'll get that fixed in the future update. And also, speaking of update, looks like we're already in the A phase of the build, so that means we're only a couple of builds away to get the new and amazing features of iOS 14.2 available on the iPhone SE. So these are just some of the upcoming changes for the iPhone SE. As always guys, thank you for watching and please subscribe for more.